Welcome to our channel where we bring you delicious low-carb Indian dinner recipes that fuel your health. Get ready to indulge in health-focused delights that taste amazing. First up, we have a mouth-watering paneer tikka. This classic dish features succulent cubes of paneer, marinated in flavorful spices and grilled to perfection. It's a protein-packed treat that will keep you satisfied and energized throughout the evening. Next, let's explore the aromatic flavors of a Kashmiri Rogan Josh. This traditional curry combines tender pieces of meat with a rich blend of spices. With its low-carb ingredients, this hearty dish provides a healthy option without compromising on taste. If you're in the mood for something lighter, try our spinach and mushroom stir-fry. Packed with vitamins and minerals, this low-carb dish is a delightful blend of earthy mushrooms, vibrant spinach, and fragrant spices. It's a quick and easy recipe that's perfect for busy weeknights. Now it's time to savor the flavors of a traditional keema naan. This delicious bread stuffed with spiced minced meat is a true taste sensation. With a low-carb twist, it's a guilt-free way to enjoy the incredible flavors of India's famous keema. Finally, we have a tempting dessert option that won't derail your low-carb lifestyle. Our cardamom chia pudding is a creamy and indulgent treat that's loaded with antioxidants. It's the perfect way to end your day on a healthy and satisfying note. With these delicious low-carb Indian dinner recipes, you can enjoy the vibrant flavors of India without compromising your health. So get cooking and treat yourself to a dinner that's both delicious and nourishing. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed these recipes, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy ideas.